to present you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Eric Scholl. Walk together, be blessed always, and may the party begins. Congratulations! Now pronouncing you as husband and wife. Now you may kiss your bride.
To never let us lose that spark, same one we saw on the beach watching the shooting stars. I promise to cherish you every day and always respect and encourage you. I promise to love and take care of you and be a true and loyal friend, even when you let me drown in the middle of the ocean.
I'm standing here today in front of you and all these people, my friends, my family, to marry you, my best friend, my soulmate, my soulmate.
As we grow old together and spend every day choosing you over and over again. You put the color inside my world, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives getting drunk off our love and shots of Fireball.
I love you, Andrea, to the beach and back. I can't wait to see what this crazy life has for us next.